Hey friend, in this video I will show you my Notion Second Brain 2.0 system. This is the template that I've been using for over a year, and I tried many methods of productivity, and this is the final results of 2024. So let's get started and let me show you what I have inside this Notion template. So first we have the quick actions buttons, and from here I can easily add a new task, resource, note or new book, or I can add a new income, expense, new transaction, or a new subscription. So for example, let's add a new task. Now I can see, or I can right now go to gym. I can add the priority and let's say it's important. Date, I can add date and it will be automatically set as today. Here I can add the area and I will say health. I can also relate it to a specific projects or goals. And if I change my mind, I can archive this task and send it to the archives. So now let's skip this task. Now here we can see the navigation toggle where you can see all the pages inside this Notion template. From the para method, we have mobile access, projects manager, life area, resources and archives. Work, we have focus mode, goals tracker, task manager, and the finance brain, which is the advanced finance tracker that I built inside this Notion Second Brain. Here we can see the life habits tracker, journaling, notes, and books tracker. Now, in the right side, we can see the daily inboxes, where we can see today tasks, today done tasks. I can here see today journal and write down my journal. Here we can see today habits and check them. Here we can see also recent notes and recent resources. Also down here we have today tasks progress. So basically let's add some new tasks. Let's add 3 tasks. Now we can see that today tasks progress is 0% and not started. But let's say that we finished almost those 2 tasks. Now we can see that today tasks progress is 60% and we are so close. And once we done this task also and check it, now we can see job done and progress is 100% completed. This feature, I've been looking for it for many times, but I decided to build it myself. It took me times, but it's really cool and keep me productive and motivated all my day. Now, here we can see the life areas, and I have many life area here. For example, for health, we have life areas and it's related to, for example, expenses. Goals, we have build muscles for health, and here we can see the number of our goals. We have also projects, and we have tasks that are related to this life area. We have today tasks and this week tasks. Also we have goals, projects, and resources. Here in the left side, we can see the monthly finance tracker. Now we can see May 2024, the finance summary. Here we can see our budget limits, total incomes, expenses, taxes, and the balance. Now moving down, we can see the review section. And in the review section, I can see the notes that need to be reviewed, resources, past 7 days of journals, and books need to be reviewed. And for example, once I review a specific resource or note, I can switch it from not reviewed to yes reviewed and it will disappear. Now, moving down here, we can see this week. And in the this week section or area, we can see this week tasks, overdue tasks. So for example, let's say that this task isn't done in the to-do and we should do this task yesterday, but we miss it. Now in the overdue tasks, we can see that this task is overdue by 1 day. And once it's done, it will disappear. Here we can see upcoming tasks. For example, let's say that this task in to do and for tomorrow. Now, if we go to the upcoming tasks, we can see that this task is at May 5. Here we can see the weekly habits and this week incomes and expenses. Moving down, we have here in progress section, we have goals of 2024 that are not completed, and also we have projects and books. Here we have 2 progress charts of our projects and also of our goals. Now we have the due dates section or the deadline. Here I can see my goals deadline. So for example, build muscles 50% completed, and we have 243 days left to this goal end. And also we can switch here to see the projects by quarter. So that's all what I have in my Notion Second Brain 2.0 dashboard. Of course, there's many other features inside each page. For example, we have the mobile access page, which is created and developed specifically for the mobile phone. So you can use your Notion Second Brain template just from your phone, and you can see only the basic stuff like today tasks, this week, today habits and journal, resources and notes, and also quick actions here. Also, we have another page, which is the focus mode, which allow you to enter a deep focus of all your work and focus on what's matter only, like tasks, today tasks progress. You can see your life area in the left side, today journal, habits, recent notes and resources. We have work music, and also we have due dates for projects and goals. So that's all what I have inside my Notion Second Brain system. I've been creating and developing this system for over 15 months to get the better results. A simple system that is not overcomplicated and also easy to use, and will keep you productive and motivated. So this is my Notion system.